Hey guys, Mixxel here. Today I'm just going to show you how to turn on your PC without the power button. If you have a mining rig or a PC without a case, you can actually just use a fork if you want, but I am using, if you can see here, it's a temp sensor with a plug in the one end, and in the other end here we have just two wires, and when you are turning on the PC you just touch the wires against each other. This is what you need, and this wire here, you are first of all you must go to your user guide on your motherboard, and you can see here with the system panel header, you need to put it on this RBTN. It's a bad camera, so. But yeah, if you're putting it there, you're good. Here is actually all the things you have from the PC case going to this socket here. On the motherboard, it's hard to say, but down there is the pins, so it's not so hard. But of course, it depends on which motherboard you have. In ATX motherboard, I think the pins are down here on the bottom of the motherboard, but with my ITX B550 it's right beside the 24 pins power connector here. So now I'm going to put the wire in, and then I'm going to show you, yeah, power up. Now I have put the wire in, you can see here, and then I am going to start my PC just with like this, and now you can see lights, and then voila. So it's quite easy, and you can also use a screwdriver or something metal, but it's much more difficult, but you can do it. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I see you in the next one.